Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the EastLink brand metal drain clog remover. We're going to open this up, we're going to show you what it looks like, we're going to unclog one of my drains, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So as we get these out of the box, I just want to show you what they look like. I'm going to take one out. Well, they're pretty long, so that's kind of the beauty of this, is how long they are. They are meant to be a 5-piece set, and they're 30 inches long. So I don't know if I can really demonstrate on camera exactly how they are, but then I do want to show you up close what they look like. So you can see that it'll just grab hair. I mean, it already grabbed some random hair, it looks like, here. So it will definitely be able to grab all the hair that goes through the sink. And then the nice thing is the easy push and pull. So there's some good tension here. And then most importantly, what I want you to understand is that it's not, some of these things have like pricks throughout the whole thing. And first of all, they'll tear up your fingers as you're trying to pull them, you know, in and out sometimes. But most importantly, it's just like, this is really what I need to grab the hair. So I'm gonna just show you what it looks like, and hopefully I can go right underneath the sink plunger, but we'll see. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out and let you know. All right, so I'm going to apologize in advance that, or maybe not in advance now, just showing you what's in your sinks probably. So this thing has done a great job of getting in there, and I got a lot more work to do still. But like, just knowing that there's sinks that look like this, probably in every bathroom, sometimes just getting this piece off and digging through, you'll find a lot of hair. I'm short. Haired. I'm not even a long hair. I've done worse with my daughter's long hair, but like, there's just filth in there. So this thing is totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.